Hi my friends, how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. Yeah, welcome to you all. So just like every day with DPKIDS, I'm going to teach you how to do different and new craft. Okay, so stay in touch. I will show you how to do. What I'm going to do is now for festive seasons, for birthdays, for different occasions, you give gifts, right? I'm going to teach you how to decorate a gift that you pack. You would like to add something, right? This is something new. I think you would like to add something on your own, right? Rather than buying from outside and putting. So I'm going to show you how to make a bow. It's nice if you can do it on your own. So I have one of my friends and I bought a gift for him. So what I'm going to do is, it's already decorated, but I would like to do a bow on my own. So let's keep that to a side, and then I'm going to take this yellow color A4 paper. It's proper square. So what I have to do is use this and make the bow out of this. So take this square, fold it like this. Now you fold it like this. It will look like a triangle, and then fold it the other way also, so that you get that line in the middle to both sides. So after you can see that line, right? Okay, and then there are 4 triangles also. So now cut this off like this. You do this so that you get all triangles in the same size. Okay, now you get something like this. You fold it like this, and then after you get something like this. Okay, now what we are going to do is, after we are done, now what you can do is, just because you need to understand, after you keep like this, I'm going to do this so that you understand. If not, I usually cut it off. Now you have to cut a piece like this off. Right, now I'm going to cut it off. I mean, when you're used to this, you can, even without drawing, you can cut a piece like this off. So this is just for you to see what I'm doing exactly. Right, now that is done. After that is done, we get a shape like this. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, now on this again, cut like this on these lines, but you don't take it off, right? You just cut it until the end, but you don't take it off. You don't cut the whole thing. Please make sure you don't cut the whole thing. And then after that, put some gum in the middle, and then take all the corners, and then you have to paste it just like this, and then put some gum again on top of that. Make sure you paste all 4 corners to the center, right? Okay, now you have got the shape of a bow. Now there's a small part that we have to do. So this is how it looks. Now take this part on this side, cut a little piece out of this like this, just like that. On the other side also. If you're not used, you can draw a line and do it. If you're used, you can cut it on your own without drawing any lines. Now after that, you have to cut a triangle like this and take it off. Right, now you have got a bow. Yeah, now what we are going to do is, we can make it a little bit beautiful by cutting it off like this if you want. And then, okay, like this you can cut it off. Right, now to make it even a little bit beautiful, we are going to do something like this. Cut a circle like this. I mean, you can even use this from a different color. You don't have to do the same thing. You can use a different color. So it will look even more beautiful and different. Right, now we are almost done. I keep it in the middle. Right, Now you can put some gum on the gift box that you're going to give and keep your bow on top of it like this, right? Okay, now it's done and it's completed. The gift that I'm going to give to my friend, it's done on my own. So I'm sure you would like to do the same thing, right? So just like that, to show you more crafts like this, please stay in touch with DP Kids. So please subscribe to our channel and stay safe until we meet again. Have a nice day.